Today we're going to fix a problem on our 2017 Jeep Wrangler. The other day we went to Costco and purchased some groceries. We got back to the Jeep and we went to stack them in, and we wanted to fold the seat up to put stuff in the back because there's not a lot of room back here. And when we folded the seat down, we realized that the latch no longer comes up. There was a problem with the latch releasing. I tried prying under here and I couldn't get the seat out. I looked on YouTube to see if I could figure out how to fix it, and I didn't see anything. A couple of people said there's a little latch that you have to pull, so we're going to figure out today how to get the seat out. When you pull this lever here, it pulls some cables that unlocks the seat, and I think what's happened is the cable on this side has become detached or broken down in the seat. So what I tried to do is I tried to remove the bottom seat cushion, the upholstery. I undid the J-hook, but I couldn't quite get to it. So I think to get this out, there are 4 bolts that hold the top of the seat on the side. I'm going to take those bolts out to get the top of the seat off, and then we're going to see if we can get down in there and release the latch. And I'll show you what you're looking at because no one actually showed how it was done, so we're going to figure that out today. So the first step I'm going to do is remove the top of the seat. There's 4 13mm bolts that I've got a ratcheting wrench. Make sure I turn it the right way. And once we get the seat out, then we can see how to fix it. And we'll be able to line these bolts up because these would be next to impossible to thread back in with the seat like this. You can see there is the cable that's still hooked here, so I'm not going to be able to pull the whole seat off, but it should allow me to pull the seat back far enough, just like that. I think I need to get the top of the seat off. Okay. So what it is there's a little plastic grommet that fits in there, and then the cable hooks up. You can see it right here. So what I did is I stripped some 14 gauge copper out of some Romex. So I coiled the copper wire through there. I think what I can do is I can pull on this and then use this pair of pliers to grab the other side. And if I pull on both of them, that one latched, and there it popped up. So now you can get it out. So once I get the seat out and get it out on a bench, then I can show how to rebuild it. I'm gonna see if there's a better way to do it so I don't ever have to do this again, because that was a pain. But now you can get the seat out. You can see this back one, there's the latch. It just needed a wire to hook it. So now I got the seat out. I will rebuild the seat and figure out how to fix it, and then we'll be able to put it back in there. But finally the seat's out, so we go on an adventure tomorrow. Aspen and Pines presents Oak City Town Bucks. We've been made fun of, no longer.